Good morning, children, to everyone, and welcome to this English literature class. Yesterday, I explained to you, or in other words, I told you the story about this particular king called Vidyadhara and the boy Pingala, and even the other children who were in the kingdom. So, today let us continue our study and let us try to understand that what are the good qualities within us, or what are the good qualities that human being should have. See, what are it is chapter 3, the seed of truth. Revision, page number 32. Now see, what are the good qualities within us? This is a question. What are the good qualities within us? Or what are the good qualities within us? Now let us try to find from this particular text. So, dear children, uh, in this particular story, we are going to learn the good qualities. Now, let us find out one by one. See, first one, the good qualities. So, here it will be truth, honesty, hope, faith, kindness, etc. See, actually, these are the good qualities, and these qualities should be within us as a student. Now, let us give more explanation to these words. Truthfulness or truth. See, we need to be truthful. We should not say lie. In other words, we should not say lie. When you are truthful, that means you are a good person, you are a genuine person, you are telling the truth always. So you are not telling lie. You don't tell lie. And therefore, truthfulness is that. That means, in other words, you are very, very transparent person. Now, next one is honesty. In this particular story, the seed of truth, who was a honest person? Who was an honest person? You see, I can give you one question here. Who was an honest person? Who was an honest person? This is the other question. The answer will be for this. Who was an honest person? The king was not, but the other boys, among the boys, see the Pingala, this particular boy called Pingala. Pingala was an honest person. Pingala was a honest boy. Why? Because he was truthful person, as well as he was very hardworking, and he was an honest person, because he did not change the roasted seed. He did not uh, buy any other new seed and bring in his own house and uh, he planted. No, he was very, very honest. What the king had given, the same seed he had planted in the pot, but at the end we see that nothing came up in the pot, and with the empty pot he goes to the king, and ultimately he is made the prince of the kingdom. So he was the prince of Gandhara, as well as he ruled the other parts. Okay, other parts of the kingdom. Now you see the third quality, hope. See, hope. We need to have hope also. Why do we need to have hope? Because unless and until we have hope, see, whatever things we do, we have some expectation. We hope that, for example, let us see, as a child, you will be growing, you will be studying hard, you will pass class 4, and then you will go to 5, 6, 7, 8, then you will go on ahead. And as you grow, you will have more experience also, and then you will have some hope in life. What type of hope? That what do you want to become? If I ask you a question, what do you want to become? See, many of you will be telling, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a teacher, I want to become an engineer, I want to become a pilot, I want to become a doctor, and so on. So that is the hope. So after studying, what do you want to become? You want to become something. You want to become a good person. So you need to have hope. And where this particular king was hoping that let me see what these children can do. And then even that particular boy was hoping to get plant in that empty pot, but nothing came up. And then at the end he comes with the empty pot to the king. So that type of hope and expectation we need to have. We need to have this type of quality. This type of quality is very good. Now next one is the faith. See, this particular boy in the story had firm faith also. He believed, he trusted that king has given me seed. I will grow a plant and I will take this particular plant to the king himself. So with deep faith and trust, he gave manure and he planted the seed, he gave water also. But then at the end we can see that nothing comes up in the pot. It was an empty pot. That type of deep faith is needed. So it was not simple faith, it was a very deep faith. In other words, deep faith means he had full faith that he will be successful person, or he will be able to grow the plant from the seed, but nothing happened. We need to have, my dear children, we need to have this type of faith. This is very good quality. Now next one is kindness. See how this particular king was kind enough to give every children a seed each. And at the end, though he told, you have come. See, the king said, what did he say? Child, why have you come with an empty pot? Could you not grow anything? So this type of things he says to this particular child. But at the end we see, though he had no this one plant in his pot, the king was kind enough and he accepted this particular boy and he made him the prince. My dear children, we need to have this type of all these qualities within us. So what are the good qualities within us? So these are the qualities. Apart from this, there are many good qualities within us. Okay, we will continue in our next class. So thank you very much to everyone.